There's only few things that I can call the best, and tiramisu tub cake is one of them, and for all the good reasons. This cake is heaven for all the tiramisu lovers. Hi, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers like you to become a professional pastry chef in just 6 months. Also, if you're interested in our offline courses, then click the link in the description area to inquire. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले we'll make the sponge for the cake, and for that we'll start by mixing buttermilk, fresh cream and oil. अब इसमें हम कैस्टर शुगर ऐड करेंगे और अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. Now we'll add in rising agents that are baking powder and baking soda. Once mixed, we'll keep this aside. अब हम इस बोल में ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर एंड सॉल्ट को सिफ्ट कर लेंगे. And into this, we'll gradually add in the wet mixture and make a lump-free batter. Lastly, इसमें हम वनीला एसेंस डाल के फिर से मिक्स कर लेंगे. अब हम इसे प्रिपेयर्ड टिन में पोर करके बेक करेंगे at 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the coffee reduction and the frosting. For the coffee reduction, we'll simply add water and crushed coffee beans. And let it brew for 5 to 6 minutes. We'll strain it and let it cool down. Now for the frosting, we'll soften the mascarpone cheese a bit and beat the heavy cream and icing sugar together until it has soft peaks. अब इसमें हम softened mascarpone cheese को fold कर देंगे along with some vanilla essence. So all the elements for the cake is ready. Now let's move on to the assembly. So our sponge is out of the oven and has completely cooled down. अब हम इसे demold करके 2 layers में divide कर लेंगे. Also, make sure to cut the dome part of the sponge. Now let's assemble it. In this tin, we'll place a layer of sponge and soak it with the coffee reduction. Then spread the mascarpone frosting on top and repeat the same process as before. Also, if you're liking this video, then I'm sure आपको हमारी क्लासिक तिरामिसू की रेसिपी भी जरूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. After spreading the frosting, we'll pipe dollops using round nozzle on top, followed by dusting Dutch cocoa powder. And with this, we're done with this tiramisu tub cake. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई हो. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. And I'll be back again with a new recipe. Till then, keep baking.